In today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how to show today's calendar schedule on the always on display of the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Before we begin, access the lock screen editor, and we have two methods which we can utilize. The first is by opening the Settings app, then scroll and select Lock Screen and AOD, and from here, tap on Edit Lock Screen. Alternatively, we can just access the lock screen directly, and then from here, long press to enter the lock screen editor. Next, tap on the current clock style, or whatever it is you're using at the top, and then look for the option that allows you to add a schedule. So it should look something like this in the preview, and you can increase the size of it, as well as customize the format and the color of it. Once you're done, tap on Done to save and apply the changes. So now, when you glance at your always on display, you should see your calendar schedule has appeared. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.